Can dogs eat watermelon? People enjoy an ice cold watermelon during heat waves and enjoy sharing it with people. Should you share some with your dog though? Yes, you can, as long as you take the necessary precautions.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of this video.
The precautions are the following. 1. Careful of seeds, they can cause intestinal blockage. 2. Remove the rind due to possible upset stomach. So why bother? Because the watermelon fruit is low in calories and packed with nutrients. Nutrients such as vitamins A, B6, and C, and potassium. Plus it can help keep your dog hydrated. Check out some different dog recipes on Pinterest on YouTube channels. Thank you for watching.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm.